Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello everyone. I hope you are all doing well. I welcome you all to the new course General Topology and Algebraic Topology. Actually, this is not a single course. These are the two courses that inshallah we will discuss in our lectures. My name is Azmat Ali and currently I am working as a lecturer in mathematics at Government Shalimar Graduate College, Lahore, Pakistan. In today's lecture, we will discuss some contents. These are actually not some contents. This is actually a very big task that we will discuss in our lectures, and some recommended books that can be used for this course. So I have divided these two courses into two parts. The part one consists on the topics that we will discuss in General Topology, and in the second part we will discuss all those topics that we will discuss in Algebraic Topology. So the topics that we will discuss in part one, that is General Topology. Here we will discuss the first topic, that is the topological spaces and the continuous functions. The second one is connectedness and compactness. The third one is countability and separation axioms. The fourth one is the Tychonoff theorem. This is not a single theorem, this is actually a complete chapter. The fifth one is a metrization theorem and paracompactness. The sixth one is a complete metric spaces and function spaces. The seventh one is bare spaces and the dimension theory. So these are the 7 topics that we will discuss in part 1. Next, in the part 2, that is actually related to the algebraic topology. In this topic we will discuss the first chapter, that is actually chapter number 8, the fundamental group. This ninth one is a separation theorem in the plane. The 10th one is the Seifert-van Kampen theorem. The 11th one is a classification of surfaces. The 12th is a classification of covering spaces. The 13th is a application to the group theory. The 14th one and the 15th, these two topics are actually related to your research article, especially all those students who are doing research in at MS level or even in PhD level. They will must read these two topics, homology theory, and the 15th one, very important, co-homology theory. And in the 16th one we will discuss some more advanced topics in topology. So these are the 16 topics that we will discuss in our long journey, inshallah. Next one, these are some books that you can follow or we can follow in our discussion. The first one is a very well respected and well renowned book, that is the Topology by James R. Munkres. This book is actually related to the General Topology. The second one is whose title is Topology Now by Robert Messer and Philip Steffen. The third one is the Introduction to Topology and Modern Analysis, a good book by George F. Simons. The fifth one is a Sham Outline series, General Topology, by Seymour Lipscus. The fifth and sixth one are the two books of Indian authors. So the fifth one is the Topology by K.P. Gupta, and the sixth one is a Topology by late J.N. Sharma and Dr. Vishnu Kant. The seventh one is a Basic Topology by Anant R. Shastri. The eighth one is Elements of Algebraic Topology. Now all the remaining books are related to the Algebraic Topology. So the eighth one, that is related to the Algebraic Topology, whose title is Elements of Algebraic Topology by James R. Munkres. So James R. Munkres has two books. One is on General Topology and the second one is on Algebraic Topology. Although in his first book also touched the algebraic topology, but at a basic level. In his second book, whose title is Elements of Algebraic Topology, this is actually purely for algebraic topology. The ninth one is Algebraic Topology by Alan Hatcher. The 10th is Introduction to Algebraic Topology by Joseph J. Rotman. 11th is a basic course in Algebraic Topology by William S. Massey, important in a good book. The 12th one is a Handbook of Algebraic Topology edited by I.M. James. Actually, the last one, that is the 12th book, Handbook of Algebraic Topology. This book is not for beginners. Actually, this book is for researchers or instructors, because the level of this book is actually advanced. So these are the course content and books that I have shared with you. Inshallah, in the next lecture we will properly start from our first topic, that what is topology. So see you in the next lecture. Until then, take care. Allah Hafiz.